Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my super quick and easy couscous stir fry recipe with you. If you are tired of eating rice, well, this recipe is for you. If you need something to whip up in no time, this easy recipe is for you. So let's go over the ingredients and get right into it. We are going to be needing my famous all-purpose marinade, some garlic powder, black pepper, and some onion powder. We need salt, one sliced onion, and a mix of vegetables. Mine has courgette or zucchini, it has carrots, bell pepper, leeks. You may use any vegetables that you prefer. And also my couscous. And as always, I'm going to list all of them in the description box below. We are going to pair our couscous with some salmon, and I have a salmon fillet on skin, but you may use any salmon that you prefer, or any fish for that matter. Before anything else, I'm going to season my salmon with a little bit of salt and some black pepper. And I'm also going to drizzle it with a little bit of oil. Salmon is a fatty fish and doesn't need this oil, but I'm using it so the black pepper and the salt can stick well onto my fish. I'm going to marinate it and let it sit for as long as we will need to stir fry our couscous. Next, I'm going to add my couscous to a bowl, add a pinch of salt, and give it a good mix. And I'm also going to add some hot water to the couscous. This is just some plain hot water that I boiled. And how much water you will need will depend on the type of couscous you are using. But usually a cup of couscous to a cup of water works perfectly. Remember that couscous is already cooked and dehydrated, so we just want to hydrate it before we use it. Now cover with the lid and set it aside. Next, I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of some plain vegetable oil to my pan and add my sliced onions. And I'm going to add my homemade all-purpose marinade. But if you don't have that, you may blend some garlic and some ginger and some onion and add about a teaspoon. It would work perfectly fine. So fry until it is soft and then add your vegetables. Now stir fry your vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add your seasoning. I'm adding my black pepper, garlic powder and onion powder and some salt, but you may add any seasoning that you prefer. This is a very forgiving recipe that you can customize to your own preference. Stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes more and then check your couscous. Our couscous is nicely hydrated, so we are going to fluff it with a fork until they are loosened and well separated from each other. Now add the couscous to the vegetables, and I choose to do this in 2 batches so it would be easier for me to mix it together. I'm going to add my second batch and mix everything together until the couscous is well combined with the vegetables. Just look at how beautiful and colorful this dish is. It is loaded with a lot of vegetables and it's definitely Fit Farm approved. What a beauty! Just look at that. At this point, you may want to taste and adjust your seasoning if necessary, and our couscous is ready to be served. Now we only have one more step to go and then we will be eating our delicious couscous, and that is to pan-sear our salmon. I like to eat couscous with fish, but you may use chicken or even shrimps. Any protein you have available will work perfectly fine. I pan-seared my salmon for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side and it came out perfect. You may cook it according to your preferred doneness. Just look at this beauty. Is it calling your name or what? And food is ready. I really hope that you are inspired to try this simple and yet so delicious couscous recipe, and I know you are going to love it. So guys, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.